Hi, in this video we will look at an amazing website called as Privnote.com. Let's check it. So just search Privnote on the Google. First link is the official website. Let's open it in new tab. So so here you can send self-destruct messages to someone. So it is a good habit not to send sensitive information like password in plain text, right? So if you are sending password like sensitive information in plain text, there are chances it can be exposed uh, in the communication channel. So using services like Prevnote is very good habit. So So here anything you write, so it will create a link and you will have to send that link to the other person you want to send. So let's type here. Hi, this is super secret message. Okay, so this is our note. You can type anything. So now we have this link with us. So uh, I so I will have to send this link to the person I want to send. So let me open this in another browser. So here we will see. Okay, they are saying note will self-destruct after reading it. So whenever when we will open this link, the note will be destroyed. So let's open it. So okay, they are saying it's no problem. So read and destroy. So they are saying you are about to read and destroy the note with ID. Okay, ID is listed as we can see here. So it is the ID. So okay, Swami. So this is the note. So now they are saying this note was destroyed. So as soon as we open this, so it has been destroyed. To if you need to keep it, to copy it before closing this window. So if I close this one, then it will be destroyed. Let's open it again. So now they are saying note with ID was read and destroyed 22 seconds ago. Okay, so this is how you can use. Let me. Okay, so there are some option available. So here we can decide like when will the note will destroy. So after reading it, it is by default. You can set custom time like 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, even 30 days. Here we can also check like do not confirm before sewing and destroying the node, and we can also protect our node by using some password, and we can also attach email address to it so that we can like we are putting 30 days for the self destruction. So we can have the notification of destruction by using the email. So we can also use these options. So this is how you can use. So there are lots of use cases for this one. Like you are sharing your passwords on social media, right? Like WhatsApp, Instagram, and whenever there are so many online chat and messengers available. So don't send password in plain text. So many of the cases, like in case of WhatsApp, they are saying like they have end-to-end encryption policy. Let me just Google it. WhatsApp. So they are saying WhatsApp end-to-end encryption is used when you message another person using WhatsApp Messenger. End-to-end encryption ensure only you and the person you are communicating with can read or listen to what is sent, and nobody is in between, not even WhatsApp. So they are saying this, right? But in real life scenario, we have seen if there is um, some kind of case happen, or some big advisory uh, get into the picture. So we have seen some scenarios where chats of some individuals is openly available on the social media, like advisories ask WhatsApp to uh, show their chats. So it is not like what they are saying, end-to-end encryption. So if the big advisory want, they can see your end-to-end encrypted chats, right? So it is a good practice to use such services to sending your passwords. So if you're sending your password, just type in here. uh, Password is right. You can send like this. Just send this link. Even if when the other person will open this link, then it will be destroyed. So even WhatsApp can, or any social media or chat room and chat services saw this link, then it will be of no use. So this is how you can utilize this one. So that's all in this video. If you have any query or suggestion, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will be seeing you in the next video.